Let's find peer-reviewed academic articles. The first thing you should do when you're looking for academic articles is to find the Mears Library website. This is the URL to the website, and if you're ever in MyUSF, there's a link to it over here on the side. When you get to the website, select Subject Guide and Business. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time doing your research, so you could just bookmark this page. Then you wouldn't have to go through all the steps. We're going to do a search for, let's say, organizational culture. Okay. The search came back with 47,000 hits. But what maybe you have been assigned to do is to do something that's been written, find one that's been written in the last 5 years. So we can slide this little block over until we get to about 5 years ago. And it will update. We're down to 11,000. And also peer-reviewed. So that's right here. You can click on that. And we just have 5,000 articles to look at. You can look at the list and see if there's anything that looks like something you need. Take a look at it in full text. And they almost always look like this, academic articles. And at the bottom, they always have a long list of references, which you can use to look at to find other articles related to the same topic. But 4,000 is still too many articles, maybe. So we can add things to this to make it more concise. So let's look at organizational culture, and then we're going to put with it leadership. Adding extra words to the search helps to make it more specific. And so now we're down to 1,000 hits. This first article I wanted to show you, it says, request this item through interlibrary loan. That means that we don't have that article in the library, but it doesn't mean you can't have it. If you look at it and read the abstract and it looks like something you're interested in, make sure and hit request this through interlibrary loan. Put your name and your for your library card number, you can put any number in. Put in your address, email, phone, and submit it. It sends all of the citation information to me, and then I can send out a request to libraries around the United States to get that article. And then when I get it, I send it to you. And it's usually pretty fast. It's free, so don't forget to use it. It's a really good way to get more articles. That was a quick demonstration of how to find peer-reviewed scholarly articles. And if you have any questions ever, on the front page you'll see email me or ask a librarian, or this is my phone number. Don't be afraid to call and ask questions, and I can help you with your research.